Alright, now family members are out of door with it. This is the last piece of my coconut. So I'm going to slap it off right in front of your face. And you have to understand how to do them something. After you understand how to do them something, and then no problem. But you know what happened? I want to take this time right now, just a minute, to say to those of you who are watching, and you know this is where you're coming from, whether you're in Jamaica or abroad, and you have been and you have progressed, things step up a little for you, or a lot, and but even though you step up, you remember them days. I just want to say to you, just give thanks to the Father. Yeah, big up the man up above if you so believe in him, and also big up yourself. And you might want to take back a family member, your kids, your grandkids, if it is your wife or your husband who doesn't know about the Jamaican old time, long time cuisine and all of that, and to let them watch this video and to show them that even though we are here right now, and you know, life is better and all of that, just show them this is where I'm coming from. Let me finish this. Alright, the thing done, you know, juicy coconut, you know, a coconut. Yeah? When you reach down to here, so you know, go down in the car, you grate off your finger, you know, you just go so, you just brush it down. Alright, look here. You see, me never eat out the coconut though. Look how much trash me get out of the one coconut. Alright, so what you want to know? We not edit none of this. We not jump cut this. We not, what is something the name? Time lapse this. So you want to have something. You're supposed to have a little, but me can't angle the big something. So you wash off the grater. Look how we do it now. That was back then. And we still do it so. Because you have some people at Jamaica right now, you know, especially the meal. When they cook rice and peas, you know, them no want no blender, you know. Look at this now. You don't throw the whole of this water down in it one time, you know. Hands must be clean and somebody there could type. But Lord, you're lucky. This was our blender back then. This is how we speed. This here look like we speed this camera, girl. This look like a puree or liquefy. Alright? So you put on now. We juice it 2 times, you know. So that's why you can't throw too much water upon it from the first time. And you squeeze. This was our blender, you all Milk YouTube family. And you squeeze. You use your hand and you take it. Not enough for this, so fit 2. And my hands are small, you know. Alright? So look here, you must have your other container right there, so. I will put it all in on this. And as I tell you, a lot of patois is going to be in this. I did this before, you know. When I was doing those Sunday dinner journey. You see the richness of the milk. You see how the milk have a lot. Hold on. I wonder if you don't see how the bone dry coconut milk have a slight cream color and not lily white like the other one. I hope you're all in on this, you know. That's the first. So remember, so we have some more trash over here, so. Yeah. You take something now and you go rinse off your hand. You go store it to the other one and you go rinse off. Not a lot in this now. Look at me now. Look here. It's not a long water thing, this, you know. You see? A little lot of time. Camera girl, hold the camera up on this. Make them see what is happening. This is our blender. This more look like a liquefy now. Come off a puree and the we have to pump out the milk out of this now. So this is a liquefy. Comment you all what speed is this, what mode or whatever. So you go on a little, go on. You notice I carry you through everything. If you like this, please comment. Hey, not throwing no more water in this now. Like I got on long water. Second time, same next patient, same treatment. We'll finish up this, return to you. Alright, what we have right here. So back then, this was where go. So I rinse out my pan, this is our trash, and now we are got trash proof with it. Look at the richness of the bone dry coconut milk. The trash proof, this is to ensure that none of these don't go down into the peas. That me call it trash proof. So look here now. This is how the area that you do it is gonna look. Shoot them up right around the coconut grating near a camera girl. Back then, this is how the area is gonna would be looking. So look here. Because we tidy the kitchen and we have that skill, we will tidy up the kitchen when we're done. Nice, pretty, rich, bone dry coconut milk for the rice and peas. We soon come. Alright. You notice me, I'm showing you all the, I said it is the real authentic. That simply means, you notice I've not turned on a pipe any part in the video. Why? Because back then we never have no running water in the kitchen. Me I tidy up the kitchen. Come on girl, shoot them up and me tidy up. Me I straighten up the kitchen. Outer door kitchen or ground kitchen. Yeah, we have to brush off them thing here ground, because when we're done, we are going to get the broom and sweep up the kitchen floor. We are clean off the kitchen cupboard. I feel the kitchen cupboard back then, this in the kitchen. That after the fowl, them or pig or whoever, if you want, put some, put the camera upon my camera girl, if you want to put some as kids, we would have put some sugar upon that and go and mumble them out till food ready. Tidy up the kitchen right there, so. This I have to go over there, so if you go finish blaze up the fire, if it go on like it no one blaze. And all of that. So look here. We want to go see what go on with the peas. So this are the dish towel, you notice how it get black through the blackness and something. So camera girl I carry right over here. We don't have a full kitchen, you see, we're there on the outside. So notice that the fire it gone down to almost low. But we don't want it too higher right now. So look here. We're on the outside, so you're going to hear some extra sounds. This is like the time for execution. Execution meaning ready for the coconut milk. Look here. The peas is halfway cooked. So look here. You do not put the milk and the peas to cook together from scratch. No. The peas must be cooked to a certain dimension, a certain level before you put in halfway or not maybe about halfway. And these peas look like they mix it, you know. Yeah, like this, and then you put in the milk. So we are going to start out with skeleton and time and something, and we are going to come back. We are going to tease up this fire, you know, and we are putting the coconut milk because it is going to finish cook now. Because the milk must go in when the peas is halfway cooked for them to finish cook together. It and the seasoning. Not the peas and the coconut milk from scratch. No. We are going to be starting out the herbs. So, you know, as I tell you, say you must always wash your pimento seed. So we have putting them in a this because we fire there so far from where. So back in the days then, we wouldn't have no pipe to run a pimento seed under. Like I rinse off with pepper and with thyme. This is how we do it. That's how we did it back then. We have a piece of ginger, but we could cover with pimento seed. We don't want it wet up. So look here. We bring this back. We're not using a soy sauce, but this is ginger, yes, piece of ginger for going at the rice and peas, yeah. If the coconut milk for any reason you cook and you're not a good cook and you end up putting the coconut milk and it not get the right cooking, the ginger and the pimento seed will make it not hurt your belly, yeah. So we do that. So look at this. This is how we do it. That was our form of running water, rinsing off. Alright. So this is our wet kitchen towel and all of that. Remember, it's an outer door kitchen with there, you know. That's what the thing say. Alright, but you still have to do the thing right. I hope you're all in. Tell me what you know about this. Tell me what you remember about this. We are go back over yonder there so now. And we are going to pour in the coconut milk inside of the peas. Eh? Not all of this maybe though. We're cooking 2 pounds of rice. Remember the time the back then we said 2 pounds. We are used leave back this if it dry out and we want a little more. Fine, but we're not full of the pot right now. Eh? But I go back for a seasoning. For its spices. Huh? Spice in. And some extra spice we are get from the smoke. You see the smoke? We are go for some salt. Yeah. We're getting a little extra spice. So look here. We have the scallions, we have a green thyme, we have a ginger, we have a pimento with green pepper. And the thing that makes it so authentic is the smoke. As it take time I go up in there. A little salt, not all from now. Be careful, you know. I always say careful. So look here. With the skin like this, you know, so the thing which part we put on the salt, then we are far from it. So we skin like this, you know, so we can turn up the pot top and rest the salt on this. So, yeah. What you know about that? What you know about that? Type real deal, if you know anything. Now look at this. So, look here now. We are going to get this thing go up a little more, but look here. You have to half mass it, because when this starts to boil, the coconut milk will boil and come right over. We're going to tease our fire up, and we are going to get the milk going. So, when you see we back again, we're supposed to at a point where we can show on all the peas there if we have to put in little extra water and all of that taste is salt perfection, and then we have to put in the rice. You notice the smoke and infuse the rice and peas. We soon. Alright family. We say without come when we come back, what me did say, I don't remember, but me carry your back right here so to show you now. You see the coconut milk in. You see what I go on the top of the real thing this in a family. If you know anything about this in a type. So each time now you come and you scrape round. So you have to know say now, you know, you have to leave an angle now, you know, where the smoke now blaze out that you can't angle your hand, you understand? You see what burn yourself. So you notice me always leave out one point where the flame, not smoke, the flame. So you scrape round as you go along, and that is why I leave back some of the milk or the peas still not cook yet, you know. So you scrape round occasionally and look at your pot and make sure, because this is what I go on now. So I go on now, all of the skeleton and all them something they take flavor down in the coconut milk, and as you go along you scrape around and all of them something. You see a pimento seed, you see a ginger, and when they put little salt. So when you come back and put in the rice now, we know if we want any extra salt. Look at this. Look at this. Tell me what you know about this. And look here. Look like them mix the peas, family. Be careful, you know, all family. When you're not buying packed red peas or something, when you're buying the bulk one, be careful. This definitely they mix it, family. But look here, we are survivor. We not have to live. Eh? Yeah. So the thing said half mass. Yeah? As the coconut milk will come over. Look at that. Tell me what you know about that. Tell me what do you know about the real deal, authentic preparation of the Jamaican rice and peas. Please to comment. Tell me what you know about this. And look here, them non-stick and all of them sinting they could never come out here so. Now family, we are putting the rice. Now we had to throw in the rest of the milk because as I tell you I get a 6 for 9 again with this peas here. Now that I'm putting in the rice, I want to show you something. I can just finish putting this rice here. In. Right, you must have wonder how this rice gone in for such a rapid boiling. How would they be really I do? So look here, we're putting the rice right now and we are going to cover the rice. I want you to shoot them up camera girl. So we have some big wood inside. The wood them inside, the stick them in there big. So when these finish, if you notice them almost burn out. Okay? So the big size pieces of wood now, we're going to burn out and going automatically becomes like coal. So right this now, the rice are going to stay on that. Look at it and simmer. Eh? We have a little piece of zinc here, so that if it go on like say it out forget burn, we'll have to lift our Dutch pot and put the zinc on top and use it now that the rice not burn. When you see we back again, rice and peas are ready. And you know what go on. You know what go on. Alright now family, you see me put my piece of zinc. This piece of zinc is to ensure that my rice not get burned and all stick up down in a jessie. You see? Look at it. I take time to dry out. So I take time, you know the rice is take time simmering. You see the little smoke on top. So you just do it thing minimally. Just with heat, we don't really want a whole of flame. Just with heat here now. So probably another 10 minutes with the right this so. Just with flame. Just with a little heat. Eh? Because I hear it take time a simmer and a simmer something, and this piece of zinc it's doubled, so it is enough to just send heat. That you know, not too much of a high, you know, it will kind of lower the temperature of the heat that it not come up and burn up the rice. That's how we do it, you know. I saw our thing that set back then, you know, when we there country. The real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. When we return, final everything, presentation, tasting, and all of them something there, and all of that. Family, we're finished, but I'm so disappointed. I'm sorry. I wanted to finish this video on the outside, to take off my rice, off of my wood fire and put it on my outer door pattern and dish out some. But the noise, it started getting too much and then music and all of that. So you know, say, I couldn't. So look here, we're there now. Just like how any other rice and peas, the first thing, everything, all the herbs must come to the top. Take out your pepper. Search up for everybody. I want you to look at this rice and peas. Camera girl, I hope you get it good enough. This rice and peas has a sheen. It has a sheen. And you know what happened? It is because of the bone dry coat. That's why we have that sheen there. So, family, we could go finish. We could go take out them all of them thing and return to you. Huh? Alright, family. So, see me take out. I'm not sure if this camera is catching this. There is this sheen. And we use because sometimes the rice and peas burning, but we use with zinc. And we never want the rice and peas dry. But I'm sorry. There's a sheen to this rice and peas. As always, it never change and it can't change because that's how we do it back then. That is how we did it back then. So let me present to you. Let me present to you right here, right now. I want to present to you. Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen to wherever you are in the world. It is the real, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Please do enjoy. Okay. Camera girl says she wants some chicken to eat with this. I have to eat it like this in a party, family. Can me tell you something, you know? A long time me not eat the rice and peas, you know. With the smoke flavor down in the camera girl say no, I'm hungry. Hello, all of you who are on the Debbie stream knows that camera girl is really picky. Let me tell you something. This has brought back so many memories. I cool me want to cool it a ma. With the smoke flavor now, let me tell you something. Barefoot rice and peas, all you need is a piece of salt beef for cook down in it, or a piece of pig tail. You don't want no meat. Barefoot rice and peas. This almost like me all forget to turn this in a mukbang. It is so nice. It is so nice. This wood fire rice and peas, there is none to compare with it. Anything else, look here. We have rice and peas, Jamaican rice and peas, you know, we can't take away that from people, yeah, Jamaican rice and peas. But this is the real, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. You saw me. I did it from scratch in part 1. Please do enjoy. If you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I saw the fat for black. I saw it for steer and the smoke, the flavor. Let me tell you something. It is to die for. Make sure you don't reach a Jamaica and find me. No. Do not come to the Jamaica when you come to Jamaica and you go back and you come and message me. Miss Debbie, me did that Jamaica. Could you do an authentic Jamaican rice and peas to me? Oh, you have to eat it. When you were here, you could come and let me cook it for you and you have it. At a cost though. These things come with a cost, okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. Principled and decent. And in order for us to shout you out, that is what post notification means. You know, if you want here, we are call up your name in the video them on the Jamaican cooking journey. Subscribe, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. When you see the video them, comment first. Today's post notification shout out goes to Naturally Me Now. Pick up yourself, manners and respect. I'm feeling you, I see you. Comment if you like this, comment. Remember to like, share, subscribe again. Remember to leave your comments below. And you know it's always that. Love, 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 love. This was done with all pure love. From me to you. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless, no stress.